It is Monday morning. The weather is very cold today. I do not want to leave my bed. Do you like cold mornings? In the morning, my mom makes breakfast for me. Today, we have bread, eggs, and warm milk. I am not very hungry. Are you hungry in the morning? I do not have much time, so I just drink some milk. Then I go to school. The sky is gray. It is raining a little today. I am wearing a light jacket. I feel cold on the street. My school is close to my house. Is your school near your house? So I walk. When I get to school, I go straight to my classroom. There are not many students today. Some students are sick. The teacher says many students are not here today. Please take care of your health. At noon, we have lunch at school. Today, we have rice, fish, and vegetables. I do not like fish very much. And you? Do you like fish? I also do not like vegetables. So I only eat rice. After lunch, I go to the sports area. My friends are there. We play basketball together. Do you like basketball? In the afternoon, my head starts to hurt. Today, we have a math test. Math is not easy for me. Is math easy for you? The test is very hard. There are many questions. I do not know many answers. After school, my friends walk with me. They say, "Do you want to play video games?" I feel very tired. So I say no. I go home alone. At home, I sit on the sofa. I watch some TV, but I still feel bad. I feel cold and weak. So I go to my bedroom. I lie down on my bed. 1 hour later, I feel worse. I call my mom. She is working. She comes home early. We take a taxi to the hospital. We wait for a long time. The doctor checks me. She says I have a cold. I also have a little fever. She tells me to drink warm tea. She tells me to rest. At night, we go back home. It is 11 p.m. I take my medicine. Then I sleep.